We have seen that each file and directory belongs to a user and belongs to a group. But how is this? How is a file or a directory assigned to that user or to that group? Well, the rule is very simple. The user who created the file or the directory is the one who owns that file or that directory. So for example, I will remove everything from here. Okay, with so okay, we have an empty directory. If I create a file from using whatever method directly, using redirection, that doesn't matter. If I create the file is mine, and I will be the owner of the file. So I will touch, for example, my file, and here I can see that this file that I just created belongs to me. We will see this in a later video. It's the same for directories. If I create a directory, and I show the permissions, I can see that the directory belongs to me. And if another user is the one who creates the file will belong to that user. So for example, with this command, I can run a command as other user. So for example, touch not my file, no, Elmo's file maybe. This command will run this, SU will run this command using this user. So if I do that, I need to enter Elmo's password. And here I can see that this file belongs to Elmo. Okay, pretty simple, the same for files and for directory. Once a file or a directory has been created, nobody can change the owner of that file, except the root user. So for example, the command used for changing the ownership of a file or a directory is chown, is from change owner. And if I, for example, I want to change this file to belong to Elmo, so I will do chown my file, and the user I want to give the ownership. Sorry, so Elmo my file. Okay, the user I want to give the ownership and the file, but this command will fail because operation not permit not allowed because I'm not the super user. I will need to run this with sudo, and then I can see that this file belongs to Elmo. I changed only the user, not the group. Okay, so when a file or a directory is created, it belongs to the user who created it, and only root can change the ownership of a file or a directory using the change owner command with the new user who will own the file or the directory and the name of that file or that directory.